Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back. How are you guys today?
Good, waiting for setups. How are you?
I'm good. Not bad at all. Do
I
we have
think
anything today?
I think we got to last hour one, but I didn't took it because it was maybe small break. But can you check? Could you check AUD CAD if it was valid? But it was. I think it was good overall. But it was like 4 pips break.
Let me see. AUD
Yes.
Interesting. No, it was good, I think.
Yeah, but only 4 pips break, and this why I didn't took it.
If you look at it from here, it's almost 10 pips.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
the whole
this is the
zone,
zone. Yeah, but
I mean, it's AUD so a weaker breakout could make sense. Why not?
yeah, I think I should take it. And it also went straight up with no bottom wick on the candle.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was good.
could have been good.
Yeah,
How many pips did it go?
3. And now, well,
11 pips would be nice. Okay, let's see what we have. Hello, my friend. Aussie dollar. Okay, we're just gonna go quick through everything and we'll see Aussie dollar too. Just see what we have. I have to clean the charts. We will look for current break and retests happening. EJ looked like came again. This could have been nice after. The first one was good, but not enough.
but it was still at for our resistance this close. If you, yeah, I don't know.
Then it did a break and retest of that 4 hour. Look,
Yeah,
breakout,
maybe like
retest.
mm,
We'll see EA trying to break. Maybe it gives us a breakout. Let's see. Aussie dollar. To be honest, Aussie dollar looks good for sells here. But we need to come for a retest here. It moved a little bit to the downside already. We'll see what happens. I would say a retest, even though it's a little bit too far. But I think we have some more room to drop here. At least around 0.77400. Isn't this as support? Or do you mean here? Well, let's see to the left.
yeah, it
If you
looks
look,
like it is.
if you look on the left, it fits with this, with these rejections. But if you go more, it goes through the candles. Now, in order to see if this is legit, we go to the 4 hour. And on the 4 hour, you can see right away. Yeah, it's a 4 hour support too. so we have support. And yeah, skip Aussie dollar. What can we do? It's a mess. GA is a mess. It's in between zones, nothing really happening right now. Euro NZD is doing a retest. Is that true? Eight pips breakout, but looks like we missed it because it already did the breakout and the retest, and it looks like already did the move also. And we have 15 minutes left. This could still continue up. Did a 20 pip move, nice. I think we should have more continuation. Let's check the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour has gone above 1 hour closed. We can easily continue up. What do you guys say?
But it looks like it hit the 1 hour zone here already. So maybe at the first retest it was good, but now I don't like it so much.
Yeah, the first retest was perfect.
GCAT may give us something.
GCAD. Usually looks good, but I don't know if I would trust it that much. MSD JPY is doing a break and retest. It looks risky. We had a trade yesterday finally on SD JPY here. It went very nice. It melted. Let's see what do we have today. It's doing a break and retest. If you're thinking about this zone, it is doing a break and retest probably. But the 4 hour is not good at all. I think you should skip it. Euro GBP is still in this consolidation. We'll see, maybe today, if it really breaks with a nice candle, we could take it. So, from what I saw, the only good setup we could have maybe next hour is if EA breaks to the upside.
You don't like this GCAT set?
Did I
But
see GCAT?
No, you just
No.
ignored because I said it's good.
Let me check. I never like GCAT, or rarely, because the chart is a mess. You're thinking GCAT here, a break below?
Yeah, it has the level. Maybe it's not perfect, but we have some rejections. But we have clear candles at least. I think so. And 4 hour is fire also.
I don't know. Depends how we close. We're gonna look how we close, then we come back to GCAT. Right now, wouldn't make any decision. We need to wait and see how it closes. Then maybe we're sure what's happening there.
because this EA is good in my opinion, but it have also like it has 15 pip range maybe only. This top of the consolidation of 1 hour,
Yeah, I know what you mean.
54.25.
This one.
It, yeah, yeah. So, but if it closes inside and not touching, it would be good.
It's a
But it,
20 pip range.
yeah, it can be hard to close for EA
Yeah.
inside.
We'll see if it closes like more than 5, 7, 8 pips.
Yeah,
Could be nice.
then it's perfect.
But I don't know. We have only 10 minutes left for the scandal.
Yeah, but
We're
this
gonna have to
close is
wait.
also good for us. Not for this hour, but even better for next
Yeah,
hours.
yeah. Because we had a rejection, then
Yeah.
if next candle breaks, it's even better. It's just that we have to wait more. You needed only 0.16% to complete the challenge, and you made a mistake and lost 4%. How did you do it, my friend? How can you go from 0.60 to minus 4? You only needed to wait for a good setup and a risk 0.50. You would finish that challenge easy.
Said I noticed that you stopped the copier with do you plan to have it available again, or what's the plan for the copier for you?
The plan is now it's stopped, and we'll see if we decide to make it active again.
Okay,
But
when can we know?
I don't know either.
Okay. No, the
I
thing
don't
is
know.
that I have some money there, and I'm wondering if I should move it or just leave it there.
No, no, move it maybe.
Oh,
Move it because plans are not to turn it on again for now. Maybe sometime it's gonna pass. So better take the money. Maybe you can use it somewhere else.
why? It was good. You know, it was
Mm,
good because I at least I checked your entries and learned this way. Where
yeah,
do you take entries, and it was helpful. Or maybe
yeah, yeah.
we don't need to do the copier, but something like to see the entries if it's possible some other way.
Yeah, but either way, I still send the entries on the group.
Yeah, I know, but there I had, because sometimes you enter like two positions, so uh,
Yeah. Maybe I should
it
make
was,
another account just for that.
yeah, exactly, maybe demo or something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I'll do something about that. We'll see. We'll see next week. Today is Friday.
Yeah, thanks.
We can see on the weekend what we can do. EA and EN. They are like I don't know how to describe them. Sometimes they're very stupid pairs. Sometimes they turn out to be very good. But you gotta be always careful because they can punish you. They respect zones, and boom, they turn out to be a big fake out sometimes. Just like you could see here. It did a breakout, it did a retest, did a break, did a retest, did a breakout, did a retest. Then you could see that it closed above, and you could say here, oh, this is a perfect breakout, then boom, a big drop, you would end up in a loss. That's why I don't trade it every day. I wait just for perfect setups when it does a fresh break and retest, not after too many times of too many break and retests to take it on a third or fourth time because it can easily punish you. Guys, it's Friday, so it's your choice if you want to trade or not, but at least don't rush anything. Just wait for the perfect setup until it comes. Even if you take a loss, you know that you went through all the rules you have before taking a trade, so a loss wouldn't matter at all if you follow your rules. But if you go against the rules, the loss is gonna hurt more. The most difficult pair. What do you guys think is the most difficult pair? For
Euro
me,
GBP.
no, we don't count your GBP at all. For me, it would be GCAD maybe. GCAD would be because it's too messy. It's too many zones. It's hard to trade GCAD. It was easier before, but it changed the behavior how it moves, and now it's more difficult to trade. Just look at the chart and you know it right away. GU, no, GU is not hard to trade at all. GU is always easy. GU gives clean trades. Gold, yeah, gold is difficult too, but we don't count gold. But it is the hardest. Look, I saw the USD break. I don't know, to be honest. Price coming for retest here needs to do a 13 pip pullback. I'm not sure this is gonna happen. It might come a little bit of a pullback UJ, but coming all the way down there, I don't know. So this level is very good, true. But are you not worried that this might have some effect on it? Because we've had a lot of rejections here. This could have could cause some problems to us. I would be careful. I'm not sure if I would take this. Would be coming from another zone. You can see already how it got rejected. We're in between two zones. If breakouts caused by the news, do you take the retest? Most of the time we don't. It can easily result in a fake out. Breakouts caused by the news usually are one of the reasons why fake outs happen. But it's not that we have news every day. So it's just one of the reasons that sometimes can happen. What about NZD US dollar? Let's take a look. It could be very nice if it breaks below with a nice breakout, but probably it's gonna continue more. It's gonna reject. Not sure, but we'll see. We already got a rejection. If you look on the daily doesn't give us the answers. It looks like got rejected from a resistance too. Anything can happen, so it's an option. We'll see. Can you show swing strategy, please? Yeah, this is the same strategy you could use for swing. You can just not close your positions and hold them for more, and it can turn out into a swing trade. Let's say last week we had the GBP US dollar setup. So what we did was we entered on the breakout. We waited for the breakout, we entered on the retest. So once you would enter here, you could hold this whole move to the upside, or maybe take all the profits at 40 pips. 40 pips can be counted as a swing, why not? It's 40 pips. Or if not, you could just still hold it and take 60-70 pips. What about this whole move? You could still be in this whole move if you would decide to hold and not move to a certain level. But you would have some problems during it because it would retrace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So why swing when you can sculpt this 2-3 times before it starts take off? But yeah, you could still hold for swing trades based on break and retest strategy. GU no trade. No trade GU. Let's see, we have a close. It's probably gonna fill the wick, but it's not typical for us. Euro JPY is still pushing. EA didn't break yet. We need a break on EA. This could be the next trade. GBP AUD getting rejected from support. There's also a chance that GBP AUD might continue or not. Daily is interesting on GA because it closed below support, below the daily support, and now it can continue all the way down. Can we take CAD JPY? Can you take CAD JPY? I think CAD JPY is gone, my friend. Straight to the upside. It's already moved 6 pips, and you have another 8 to make the retest. I think it's gone. USD is going to continue more. See the 4-hour. You know what? We can wait for USD 4-hour retest. This could be nice. The 4-hour retest. It's a very, very good level too. We could use a nice stop. Would make a lot of sense here. 10 pips, 15, maybe. Oh, this could be good. Hopefully it just doesn't go too far and gives us a chance. Are you into US 30? Not for now. Any trades today? Not yet. we are waiting to see. If it breaks this area, could be nice EU. I mean, yeah, it could. Could be nice, why not? Looks like a good zone. We'll see.
Set.
let's see. Yeah?
Could you go over your yesterday's trade on what was that?
NZD-JPY.
Yeah, because it wasn't like classic, I think. The zone was weak, but you played momentum more, or if you could explain.
No. UJ 30-minute trade. Congrats, but it was very risky. Maybe you trade a different way. NZD-JPY. So, NZD-JPY yesterday was rejecting. It was rejecting once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6 times on the same level, which means we created some support. If you look left too, we have the same zone. It fits, it matches with the current one. And once price closed all the way bullish, then this candle came all the way down, closed bearish. We had no bottom wick on the retest candle, came straight to the upside. And almost all JPY pairs did the same thing. It was a lot of momentum. Once I saw EJ was not close, I went to NZD JPY and I saw both candles no bottom wicks and I saw it doing a retest on this zone. I entered straight away. Had no
So
doubts.
normally you wouldn't enter, I think, on the zone like that because it's
Normally, I would enter still. Why not?
yes. Oh,
Because it broke the zone.
yeah, but this zone is, it's not so strong.
It's
So
not that strong,
yeah.
but
But
six
the other,
the 6 hours of consolidation, it's pretty
Okay.
strong though.
Okay.
And also the way the candles closed, that made me
Yeah.
more confident on taking a trade. Maybe
Yeah.
if we would leave a wick or something, maybe I wouldn't take it. I would be more cautious and I would think more. But I didn't at all when I see both candles, no bottom wicks, came straight to retest the zone. I knew that at least we're gonna go bearish. At least it's gonna make like a 10 pip move. Because once it turns bearish, it's just gonna continue that momentum it had. And that's what I did.
Yeah. I missed that. I was focused on EJ, but then EJ didn't came where I wanted, and I end up with no trade.
It happened too fast. Everything happened very fast. If you didn't switch from EJ, I had 2 charts opened, so I was switching to all of them to see what we have. Then I saw a ZJPY and I just clicked the button right away because I knew it. EJ was a little bit too far from the entry, so I said I'm not gonna miss it. At least if I miss EJ, at least I'll take ZJPY. So I didn't think twice there.
So your multi-monitor setup paid again.
Yeah, yeah, it did. Because I had EJ there, and here I had on the C trader at NZDJPY. So I saw it straight away and just took it. I just took it, and even I took it in a small range because if it would come a little higher, I would still enter more. See, in a 2-3 pips range.
Yeah, and when you you told me on the group, then I switched to NZD JPY, but it was already flipping. So
Yeah,
yeah, maybe it will come again, but no, it didn't.
yeah, I had a little bit more room, but I entered to one position
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I wanted to come a little higher so I could enter another one, but it came straight to the downside.
yeah, and it happened last a few times on NZD JPY, I think. Maybe at all pairs it is happening like that. When so big momentum, big candle with no bottom wick, and then just a retest candle with no bottom wick, and it's almost 100% that it will flip at least.
Yeah, yeah, it always happens the same.
Yeah,
It's like a pattern. It hope it happens, and especially if it has if it breaks a zone and that happens, it's like 100% thing that it's gonna flip at least, no matter how far the breakout candle was, because you saw GBPUSD how it was. You saw how good it was on the break and retest. It doesn't matter. Here it was not without a top wick. The retest candle didn't have a top wick. And see how D became and still went and flipped bullish. And imagine if
yeah,
it's too close to support or resistance. Most of the time it's gonna flip at least like
yeah. I know it was this week. It was like 2, 3 trades like that, and I missed all of them. I have to, yeah, because I need to plan, and I am too slow with this, and I didn't see that, and
thing is
I end
you're
up.
always in the chart. When it comes to take a trade, you disappear. I don't know what happens. And
I never disappear. I just, this one I didn't. I was watching EJ, so this is why I miss it.
yeah, open two
And the
charts.
other ones that was this week, it was like one, in my opinion, has a small break, and maybe I paid too big attention to this.
Next time,
But
be fast.
anyways, I am I, I am plus 2% this week, so it's not bad.
Okay, you're still good. As long as you don't lose. Missing trades not good at all because you could have so many good trades and maybe you miss two or three, then you come to the trade where we lose, then that's not a good thing. But we'll see. We'll find a good trade. EA did push through this resistance and got rejected again. So if we could close around here what it made this week, that would be very nice.
GCAT now came for a retest, but it went down.
GCAT came, but
First.
we don't
But
trust GCAT. See, GCAT has zones like everywhere. Everywhere you see, there's rejections on GCAT. It's a mess.
I don't know, it's not much worse than Euro NZD that you want to trade. So. Euro NZD
Well,
is
it's the
also
same thing.
hopeless.
It's the same thing,
Yeah,
to be honest. USD did the same thing as
it's
EA.
just
Filled the wick, got
zones everywhere.
rejected.
Yeah, but EA could be good if it closes in the middle. But it's a
I
big ask.
like I like USD the 4 hour, but it's already done like 2 retests on the 1 hour. That's not good because when the 4 hour closes, one more hour is gonna pass and another one is gonna pass. Then we have the 4 hour close and it's gonna be like fourth retest. So how can you trust that? Oh, GA. What if GA gives us a breakout? What if, what if? GBP could be a good trade. Send me a chart, I'll see. Do we have any news today that we should be aware of? Okay, let's see some medium, low, medium. So we had CAD unemployment rate, 5 hours. Looks like we are good. Some USD news in almost 7 hours. We're good. This was good. Not bad at all. We are looking at a specific pair. Yes, I think I'm gonna stay here on GBP see if it breaks, because this is a very good level and GA could give us a very nice setup here. Some quick pips. So we're gonna see. Where did I learn to trade like this? I learned it right here in the charts. I just saw something that was happening every single day and I started trading it.
If you go on DA on 4 hour, it's the range is quite small, 15 pips.
The range, my friend, is all the way here.
And this closes 1, 2, 3, 4.
No,
Oh,
this doesn't matter because these closes came because price rejected from here and they end up closing here.
okay.
And also
You little stretching it. So.
here you have the support. So
Yeah,
price
this one
came
is
here,
more
rejected
important.
from support, rejected from resistance. So this is just consolidation. This is where
Okay.
candles are rejecting, and this is a middle zone.
If we look like this, it is
But if you look at
perfect.
the 1
The
hour,
zone is very strong.
you can see the 1 hour. You can see just the consolidation. There's no like a strong zone in the middle that could cause us problems. You can see also last time we got rejected. The last 2 hours were getting rejected, including this current hour. If we manage to close above, I think we could have some nice continuation here.
Yeah, it have more room than it has more room than EA.
Yeah, I would probably take GA instead of EA. How do you think about the rocks? Who, what rock? The rock, the actor? The website I use, it's myfxbook.com. CatJPY, careful my friend. Let's go bullish now. Samuel, Did you enter CAD JPY already? Because you had to wait for the retest. You entered too early. That's 7 pips or 6 pips range. Merhabalar Türkiye, merhaba, merhaba. What do you think on GJ? I think GJ is doing some crazy job out there. What a push this was. What a trend this was. It's crazy. It hasn't stopped pushing. Only some small pullbacks, some retests and continuation after continuation. Bullish after bullish after bullish candles. That's crazy. It looks exactly like a crypto chart. I don't know if this would be enough to take a trade on GJ here.
GJ looks good if it breaks.
I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have some rejections. I don't know the position it's in. It's making a new high, and the zone is not that strong to make a new high and have some more continuation. That's what I'm not sure of. Was it not same setup like the DJPY you took yesterday? No, it's a different position. GJ is making a new high after moving 1000 pips. As the DJPY was zone after zone. GJ is making new high. Needs to be very strong to make a lot more continuation. That's what I don't like for. If it was this, I would trust it more because it would be a stronger zone. It would make sense to break and make a new high, but here it's, I don't know. It would be a bit risky, but it could work. Why not? It could work. If I would take this, maybe I'll take half risk. Time to sell EA. Why? Explain, my friend, why do you want to sell EA? Sana ihtiyacım var. I don't know, my friend, what you're saying. If Beto was here, he would know.
What is happening with Beto? He said he will be here today.
I don't know, he was here, then he disappeared.
Oh.
Maybe something came up. Gold blew my second account. Congrats, my friend, for blowing your account on gold. Second account, very nice. We have two options, guys. We have GA, we have EA. One of them breaks, we gotta trade. No one breaks, no trade. At least not until now. Could we have something later? Who knows, we might. I didn't miss CAD JPY, my friend. If you know my rules, you know that I didn't. First of all, CAD JPY didn't even come for retest. It's not a retest here. That's just a small pullback. The retest is all the way down here. Had to drop a lot more for a retest. But you, my friend, did have fear of missing out, so you entered all the way up here. You didn't wait. And that can cause you troubles in the future. I'm glad that you made here, but next time it would cause you troubles. Vasily, where do you send the chart? Send it here on YouTube. We don't look at lower time frames, my friend. GBP-CHF, the cursed pair. GBP-CHF is cursed. Wait for this to break, then you have a trade. Making a new high here would be nice. Making a break on the 4-hour would be even better. So your choice. But I'll be skipping GBP-CHF so it doesn't cause me trouble. Why do you only trade the hour? Because it works for me. And it's less stress, less complications, it's simple, it works perfectly. Plenty of the reasons. Now don't look for lower small breakouts like this because you have this whole range. You need a break even above, either above or maybe to the downside around here. But don't look to play inside because it's too dangerous. Trading inside a consolidation zone. Sir, please analyze USD CAD. Sir, USD CAD is right now at resistance. It has another one a little higher. Yesterday we were looking for sells here, but we skipped. and what happened came pretty deep, then got rejected all the way down. If you look where price went, hit another support. You go on the daily, you see that daily previous daily candle is very bearish. And could we have some more continuation to the downside? It could happen. Could happen maybe after rejecting this resistance. We could have still some more continuation. Right now, what I would say is USD CAD, there's no trade for me. I'm gonna wait for some consolidation to be formed here, and then later on we'll see maybe next week what we can do, but I don't see a trade there right now. Aussie dollar, I don't know what to say. It's in this zone here. It has two zones actually, a 1 hour zone and the 4 hour. And you could see how it's leaving these big wicks, and where something like this happening, you better skip because you don't really have a good choice where to enter here. Find a better entry. NZD US dollar has a zone here just above. Could we see some break and retest to the upside? Because it can still be bullish. This zone that is rejecting is pretty strong. Getting rejected from a 4 hour zone, breaking a 1 hour minor resistance could be maybe some easy buys here. We'll see. AUD US dollar, we just talked about the AUD US dollar. Should I pay someone $200 to help me trade Forex? He said the course is 200 and he will train me every day. I don't know, maybe you should, maybe you shouldn't. Depends who is that guy. Have you done enough research about him? What does he offer? Does he have any kind of history in this industry? Does he give you live trades, streaming, telling you how to trade, how to enter, where to put your stop loss, where to move your stop at break even, where to take profits, how to manage the trade during it? If not, then probably don't pay him. Why didn't you consider the SD JPY? It already gone 11 pips. SD JPY. I don't know for buys or sells. He has 21.8k followers on IG. Followers are nothing. You can buy 100k in a minute. Followers doesn't matter anymore. You can go now buy 1k for $5 or 2k or 10 or 100k. Scammers usually have an Instagram with 3-4 posts or 10. All of them are cars, but real traders have 1,000 posts and all of them are charts telling you how you should trade. So there's a big difference. Do you see cars or charts? But even charts matters how they are, because there are plenty of Instagrams with charts that only are without any, that they don't make sense most of the time. Guys, it's easy to choose who's legit these days, who's not. I mean, you have plenty of ways to find out. All it takes is a little research and you'll see. What is the best pair for your strategy? The pair that moves more clear. I can say this or that is the best pair. Recently we've had wins on all pairs. Not only recently but since we've started trade. I can't say this or that is the best. They all work, but I can say which one can be bad to trade. And I've told you about that plenty of times. There are plenty of them. GBP CHF caused us a lot of trouble before, so we removed it. GBP CAD now is a little bit tricky because there's too many zones can result easy in a fake out. Gold is one of them. EuroCAD sometimes results in a fake out. It's not that consistent. Euro NZD same. GBP AUD used to make deep pullbacks, so it was not that good to trade break and retest. GJ, USD CAD, GBP USD, Euro US dollar, EJ, Aussie dollar, these are all good to trade. NZD JPY, we have not taken any losses on NZD JPY in the history, I think. We have like 100% win rate on NZD JPY and we took plenty of trades on it. It's a very stable pair. Does a lot of break and retests. If you find the right moment every time to take it, it's going to be very good. It's not a pair that you can trade every day. But if you wait for the right setups, it's always going to be perfect. Even that is a minor pair. It's still very good to trade. Can you check UJ? Can you check ADJPY? Oh, we can check. We can check. Why not? But nothing really is happening there. UJ has already gone to the next zone, and ADJPY is just consolidating. Nothing much happening. It's not a place where I would take a trade.
Could you check my chart set on NZD JPY? Yeah, this can be good, I think.
Why not?
It's not for now, but
yeah. Why not? It might take some time though to come there.
Maybe not today.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. You never know. One candle can change the whole pace of the market. You never know. What do you think that Euro USD is gonna do? You're looking to short at 1.19290. Why do you want to short right at support? At least wait for a break below that. Then you can short. It's right at support right now. Maybe a break below could be nice. Depends where it comes from. And a 4 hour break would be nice too. See the daily. Normally you close at 10 pips, 80% let it run the rest. Do you advise to? It depends, my friend. It depends. It's not a always thing. Sometimes, sometimes not. Depends on the pair, on the setup, on the risk we use. The thing about Euro US dollar, I wouldn't be very keen to sell Euro US dollar. If you look at the daily, we have closed above this consolidation box here. Do you see how clear this is? This could be some buys probably. This could be very good for buys. If this 4 hour level holds, this could continue all the way up. But anything can happen, right? So taking this daily retest could be risky. We would need some kind of confirmation on lower time frames. Let's wait, let's wait. GA. GA is closed, but it's having problems to push. Only the first minutes it pushed above, then it has stayed below for most of the time on this candle. It's not showing good signs with lots of momentum. Dun, 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 dun. Your NZD is staying close, which means now it's still going to be a lot of time until the 4 hour close.
Check GCAT said.
Good. You would have some drawdown. It would scare you here.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't so good. But if I would take it if it would just came immediately without going down, but it went down and up, and the level is also not perfect.
Ah, bro, GCAT is a mess. The best is just to stay away from it right now. Sometimes it could be very good,
I
but
have
it's
need
just not the time
to
right now.
trade.
You have the need,
Yes.
go
uh,
trade in a demo account then. Just enter plenty of positions. Ooh, GJ. What a nice rejection of 20 pips. Probably is going to turn in bearish right now. Let's go. One in
very
5
nice,
seconds. Oh, it looks like it
very
did.
nice half hour break and retest. Not if you go to 30 minutes.
This could be a 30-minute retest and turn into a fake out.
Looks like it.
My age. Guess. Guess the age. I'm very young. I feel like it's gonna be a boring day. I'm 24, guys. 24 years old. 24 talented Forex trader. 24 years old Forex talented trader. Are you able to live just off trading? Of course. Of course, my friend. NZD US dollar is setting up for buys. I told you guys, NZD US dollar. It needs, there's a minor zone here. It needs to close above. And we could have something like this. Something like this. Then the retest. And then we could have more continuation to the upside. This could be a setup, but right now it's not happening. We're still below, and we have another 10 minutes left. What pair was your trade on IG story yesterday? I posted the pair. NZD JPY. This here. Gold, short looking good. Samuel, stop, my friend, stop. Calm down. Not 31 years old. Looks like your screen is too blur. I'm only 24. If you trade gold, yeah, it might be good. This is a pretty nice support. Price is pushing lower than that. Maybe it's gonna be a breakout. I wouldn't trade gold, but if you want to trade gold, then yeah, this could be nice. Just be careful because you never know what gold can do. A lot of fake outs happen all the time, so just be careful. Bruno Martin, good morning to you also. How are you doing your diet? Oh, I'm not doing the diet anymore. I've lost enough. I've been just in control of what I eat for the last 2 weeks, maybe, and haven't gained anything. I'm doing pretty well. One mouse can scroll through two monitors. It can scroll through many monitors. Three here. Yeah, I just connect them. I can connect another two or three more maybe. How has your diet changed since before diet? I've just started eating fruits because I was not allowed to eat fruits before, and now I do eat fruits because without fruits there's no life. Mike, yes, that's how it is, true. Keyboard works whenever my mouse is.
Hey, Sad, since GJ is rejecting that level, do you think it's good now? If it breaks it?
Do I think it's good if it breaks next
Yeah.
candle? I don't know, it can be good. It can. Just don't like the candles, how the candles are forming, you know.
Has more rejections to the level now.
We're gonna have to see what happens.
Someone wants to take trade badly.
Maybe.
You know what would be good? If this candle closes above, then drops a little bit, maybe close back in the range, then again breaks, that would be better. I would still like to see more consolidation here.
This ECAT can be dangerous.
This ECAT can be dangerous, true, because I was just looking at it and you could see we broke once, turned out to be a fake out because this is where candles were rejecting. It broke again, it turned out to fake out again. Now if you break again, it's the same level that these two resulted in a fake out, and this could result in a fake out again. Or it might be a time where we continue, but I don't know.
What would give me more confidence if it would create some consolidation now for 10 hours maybe or a few hours and then break. So it's probably not today, but this would be maybe better. What do you say, Seth?
I think I'm not gonna take it. Maybe if it clears everything on the left here and closes below, I would be more interested. But not if I see price still staying above these two, because both times it resulted in a fake out.
Yeah, but I would like to see some rejections now.
Yeah,
At
I
least
mean,
2 candles.
this candle is already rejecting. It's 4 minutes left to close. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna break, so GBP NZD looks good. GBP AUD is not good, still below. GBP NZD also is very risky to trade, but who knows, this could be good. It was already a 1 hour break and retest, but we didn't take it. Now it's even better, and the retest could happen around here, and we could use a stop loss around here, 10 pips stop loss, and we could aim for 20 pips to this next zone here. So it would make sense. It would make sense. But if it come lower than this, then probably can result in a whole fake out. Let's see. I mean, it looks good. Not bad at all. But probably is going to continue straight to this next zone. Okay, 2 minutes left. Let's see.
If you see on 4 hour, it already touched
The zone?
yeah.
Not yet, not yet. Just a little bit.
It's nasty consolidation.
I mean, look, if you look at it, this is the major support we have, and this could be the range to fill after doing the break and retest. These are just the minor zones it created. Wouldn't make a huge difference. I mean, it would. If the 1 hour goes already here, I'm not taking it. But it made sense when it was lower to fill this range. That was the plan. There's a good setup somewhere in a pair that it's not good to trade, but there's a good trade there. There's a nice resistance, but it's not breaking yet. We'll wait for it next week. GBP very nice push, but not enough to break. Bitcoin is trying to break this support. Bitcoin, who trades Bitcoin? Not good at all. SZD JPY. Could this be a move to the downside? Small pullback and then continuation all the way down. That could be it. Gold broke below the support, but don't trade it. Only if you can afford to trade gold, you can, but if you can't, don't do it. Hola vecina, estoy besado. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
GA has had mm, worst possible close.
GJ,
GA,
stupid close.
GA,
USD CAD,
GA.
GU. GU is in between two zones, guys. There's nothing there. Euro US dollar is getting rejected a little bit, of course, because it's at daily support. EJ is doing nothing. EA, it's not breaking yet. Still, there's time. It might break later on. Who knows? York session
Now it's
was
very good.
here.
The zone.
Yeah, it's just getting better and better. The more rejections we have. NZD US dollar close a little above. I'm not gonna look for anything on NZD US dollar. Maybe only a break above this, because to the downside there's too many zones. GA, stupid pair. Look how close was to give us a nice break. 5 pips.
Now I
Not
think it would
clear.
be best to close bearish and then bullish, because if this goes up, it will be hard for us to take it.
Yeah, if this pushes, it's already done.
Or even if it will close, it will have to come and engulf all the candle to make a retest. Best would be to close bearish and then bullish, strong candle.
Yeah, we'll see. If this turns bullish, probably is going to continue more and leave us. Where was I? SDD JPY. This could be good. This could be good. I've seen this happen so many times. Getting a rejection like this, closing all the way bearish, it leaves a small space here between these two candles. Then this goes straight down and fills the wick at least, and that only could be 10 pips. Then could push a lot more. Same thing happened yesterday on GCAD. Let me show you an example here. Where is it? Where is it? This here. Do you see this? This is exactly like SDJPY. You see where it came? It came as a rejection, closed just a little bit here, left a space, and this candle made a small pullback, went boom all the way down. Same thing is on SDJPY. It's some kind of break and retest, but not a break and retest after a break and retest. It comes after it gets rejected.
NZD JPY is coming now to this level.
So look at this now. It's almost the same thing.
Other way to look at it, it looks like it is just going sideways.
The only problem here is that the 4 hours not that good. No, I don't try. I don't trade cryptos. I don't, my friend. I don't. The best right now is to go to somewhere where it's a good place. Let's travel now. You guys are all asking for these pairs that are not good to trade. Don't go to this place where you don't have anything else and you just want to try find something. Leave it. Let's just wait for the major pairs to give us something. Or if the minor pairs are going to give something, at least they should be very clean setups. Otherwise, we don't have to rush anything. There's still time. There's still time, and it's Friday at the end of the day. We don't even have to take a trade if we don't get a good one. So let's just wait. It's taking some time, but we're gonna get something soon. Patience is key in this business. Very true, my friend. Patience is very important in this business. You have to be very patient. Otherwise, if you're not, you can get punished. Okay guys, so we're gonna go with the break and we'll be back. Maybe get something to eat, get some energy, and we'll be back because right now we don't have anything. Enjoy this ride in the meanwhile, and we will be back. Okay, we're back. We are back. Let's see what we have.
GCAT is looking good. And ECAT.
GCAT and ECAT. GA did a full pullback. GJ, nice. Nice drop, GJ. Look at the DJPY now, it probably is melting. Euro NZD, third retest. Wow, EuroCAD is melting.
It's gone, I think.
It's
But
crazy.
it's 4 hour breakout.
It's crazy. EuroCAD doing this kind of move. It's not an everyday thing. You don't really. Ooh, Leszek, why didn't you take GCAD, bro? Look at this now. Look at NZD JPY. Exactly how I expected. Quick 9 pips. Could go more. It's just the beginning.
But if you check this GCAT again, it's breaking good zone now.
Yeah, it is. It is really breaking a good zone, especially on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
If this becomes even a bigger breakout, it would be better.
Yeah, minimum 10 pips, maybe more.
Even more would be better, because when it comes for retest, there's a bigger chance that we might get a quick rejection. If we get a weak breakout, it might come a little deeper in the zone. That's what I'm saying. We need a bigger breakout. Let's clean everything now. It's time to focus on one zone only. Let's see now if it's gonna break or not.
Also EJ maybe, but it's a little bit risky. How does it look now?
Oh wow, look at GU also pushing. EJ,
No, it's not breaking yet. It was better
no.
moment ago.
It's no setup there. EA is good. EA is good. The only thing we need is a breakout.
Yeah,
More rejections is just getting better. Having a breakout in the middle of the day somewhere would be nice. You know, wait, we have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left to see which one is going to give us something today. Which one? SED CHF. This, my friends, is a very, very good setup. It's just trying, but it can't break. Once it breaks, this is a perfect setup. We have so many rejections at this level. Once we break, we could easily get some. How many pips? My god. 10 pips looks so big here. Such a big move for only 10 pips? It's a joke. Anyway, it looks like it's not worth trading it. Ooh, Euro GBP could be nice. If only it would be a little higher at this time, because 9 minutes left. I don't think we'd have enough time to flip here. All the way above the previous two candles and maybe close above. SDJPY just flipped bearish too. Yeah, I saw it. I knew that was gonna happen. It just, I don't know. Didn't want to take it since it was not a classic.
GCAT looks fire for now. Could push a little bit more.
Okay, your NZD 1 hour retesting. It's the third time, my friend. You have to wait. 4 hour is gonna close soon. But we're not gonna be able to take the 4 hour again because it's too much. It's the fourth time retest, so it's too much. So what we have to do is, since we have a minor zone here on the 1 hour, once the 4 hour does the retest, if it's gonna push up, we're gonna wait for price to close above this too. Then we enter on the pullback if it gives us a chance, of course. Otherwise, I wouldn't recommend buying EURNZD here. It's just the fourth time of retesting would be too much. So a break above this would give us a good chance, I think. If this is going to continue up, this should be the setup here. Could be nice for later. GBP CAD is good. GBP CAD is good. It's a 10 pips breakout. Maybe another 5 pips push would be nice. Closing without a bottom wick, then coming straight to the upside would be good.
Would you use 15 pips stop on this or more?
I don't know. We'll have to see. Let's see how many pips is 15. Yeah, I think it's enough. I don't think we're gonna have this kind of pullback unless it closes weak. But we have 4 minutes left. There's time. There are some setups that are coming now. Finally, in the last minutes. Not gonna look at GBP USD. GCAD is better. So I don't have to go to GBP USD. See, GCAD is very good. Come on, GCAD. If GCAD gives us a close like this, would be perfect. But then we need a straight pullback. 4 4T, my friend. You didn't even send a chart. You just said check this. You forgot to send the link, my friend. Don't get angry. What do you think about this trade on SDCAD? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. SDCAD 15 minutes. What can I say? I don't know. I don't trade 15 minutes. I don't know what was this based on. I see that you entered on this candle, on this bullish candle. I don't know why, but congrats on your win. One minute left, and we can see what we can do. GCAD is the first pair in the list to have a nice break and retest. We're getting a 10 pips break. It's good, not bad at all. Okay, we have a close. Let's see. We need a retest now, guys. We need a retest. Hopefully it doesn't push. Okay, so I just saw Pepperstone also is giving the chance. Pepperstone also is given a chance to change to Pepperstone Pro, which means you still get to have the same leverage, just like IC Markets did the global. IC Markets global. Now Pepperstone has the same thing offering, so it's good. GBP CAD broke below now. We broke the support. We could have a nice trade here if it comes. I think it's very nice. Also, it's a 4-hour breakout, so we have a double confirmation. Let's see, we just need a 10 pips breakout. Maybe it can come a little deeper in the zone, so we'll see. GCAD is coming, my friends. My friends, GCAD is coming. Get ready. Sells at 850. Self at 850. Stop loss around 15 pips, I think. Grant, my friend, yeah. Copy trader is not available anymore. I stopped the copy trader. Yeah, I stopped because it's not worth doing it. It's not worth doing it. That's why stopped at 7% in profit. We'll see. Maybe we will decide to continue again in the future. We'll see. But for now, it's not available. I wanted to try to see how it goes. It went not bad. Could have done much more, but for now I stopped it. We'll see in the future if we want to continue again or not. The link is still in the description. Well, the link can be removed easy. Now it's not anymore. Done. Okay, let's see. GBP CAD is coming. It is coming. 850 should be the entry. We'll see. The problem is the 4-hour is a little higher. So you have to consider that if we come for the retest, we can come a little higher. So 850 to 900, you can split your risk in two positions maybe, and we could use a 15 pip stop loss. I think my stop loss is going to be 1.75050. First entry at 850 and another one until it comes at 900. It's coming slowly, it's climbing up. Don't enter too early, it's only at 800 right now. Needs to come higher because you'll end up getting an early entry and bigger drawdown. And also when we get to 10 pips, you get less. So let's just wait. It should come higher. Once it come higher, we can enter. I think this is going to be good. The only thing is that it might come for a deeper pullback, then later on still continue to the downside. But we're gonna see what happens. I think it's good, it's not bad. Stop loss is a little lower. So around here I think so. Stop loss is 15 pips from 850. A little higher. Let's see, just a little bit more. Let's not rush into this, guys, because look at how big the breakout candle is. It is normal to have a deeper pullback after this huge drop. So we're just waiting for that deeper pullback. It's a 43 pips drop on the 1 hour, and we have a 10 pips break, so it makes sense to have a 15 pips pullback at least. Just trying to get the best entry we could. Okay, nice. Right now price is at 830, 840, just a little bit more and we can enter. Okay, you can enter half here. You can enter half here so you don't miss it. and I'm gonna enter some more till it comes to 900. Is 850 now? Should come a little higher, I think so. I think it should come. But this is my first entry. Second, it's gonna be if it comes a little higher. See, I'm gonna leave some notes here where I entered. First entry and a second one to 900. Okay, that's okay too. If you want to wait for 900 to hit and not enter earlier than that, that's totally fine also. It's your choice. I'm just saying 850 because if you don't want to miss it, at least enter half at 850 and then we'll see uh, if it comes higher we can enter one more or half, depends how you entered. How are you selling a bullish candle? I don't know. I don't know. I'm new here. I'm just trying to do something. Maybe it works. Oh, forgot to send it on the chat. Thank you, Georgie. Take profit is whenever you are happy with the profits. So we took sells at 850. We're gonna wait for a deeper pullback to make another entry because I believe it's gonna do it. You can see the 4 hour, the wicks are a little higher, so that's why I'm expecting a deeper pullback. Second entry around 900 if it comes. If not, I only have half here. I don't have the full entry. But we'll see. Even if it rejects from here, we could still make something. We're gonna wait and see. This could go, I don't know. We could go a lot more than this. At least we're gonna have around 20 pips. That's what I'm expecting. Once it turns bearish, I think we could go for more than 10, 15 at least, then 20 and some more continuation. But guys, I'm gonna have to go though. I can't stay. I'm gonna have to go. I might leave the stream run. Maybe I can chat on the. I can text on the chat, YouTube chat. and I'll let you know, guys, what we can do and see how we can manage it. Yeah, I'm not gonna start the stream. I'm gonna leave it run, and I'll let you know, guys, on the chat because I have to go. I can't stay here. If I could, if it wouldn't be Friday, I would stay. I have to go to the mosque 12 a.m. 12 a.m. or p.m. 12 p.m. Have to go. I have like 30 minutes to get ready and go. So I'll just leave it like this. I'll leave it like this, and when I come back, if the trade is still there, we'll see what we can do. Or if it goes into profits, 10-15 pips, I'll see. I'll let you know, guys, what to do. The more we can get, the better. So see you for now, and have a nice weekend. Maybe I'll come back and we'll continue more, maybe in New York session. Probably I can't, but I'll just leave it like this so I can chat on the stream. See you for now, guys. Have a nice day, a week, a weekend. Thank you all for being here today. See you. Okay, perfection. Perfection, guys. Very nice. How many pips do we have? Okay, 12 pips. That's good. I think I'm gonna take some profits here, and I'm gonna move my stop at break even. Moving my stop at break even, guys. Don't want to see this coming all the way up to your entry.
Do you think next level around 500?
Next level, we can't see left. Let me see. Next level is around here, 650.
Yeah,
I think this is the next
yeah.
support here. You could see
But
these
for
candles.
the runner, I would go more.
Now for the runner, you could go more. Yeah.
Yeah.
This level was too good. Very nice pullback. Okay, so
Perfect.
first take profit. Very nice. We got a nice rejection. Yeah, secure some profits. Why not? And don't let this come all the way back to your entry, because that would be a big mistake, guys. Stop loss at break even. Secure some. You already have like 15 pips now. Stop loss at break even. Very nice. GCAT finally gave us something. 14 pips and running. And we'll see if it's gonna push more or not. I think it's gonna push more, maybe another 5 pips at least to give full 20. No, I haven't gone yet. I was just getting ready.
So where would you close your runner?
My runner, well, my runner, I would let it go as much as I can. But since it's Friday,
I think this have potential. Oh yeah.
Yeah, if it's Friday, so I'm gonna close everything at 20, the runner, because I already took some at 14 pips here, and we'll see if it's gonna continue more or not. But I think it did enough. Did pretty well. We'll see. Since we went bearish now, I think there's still a chance that we might continue lower. But stop loss is at break even, and gonna see how far it's gonna go for the runner. Perfect.
We want only this kind of trades set. Remember this one, and only this we want.
Yeah. Did you take it this, Lezek? Don't tell me you missed this again.
Yes, I took, but
okay. How much you made on this? I was
thinking to.
Do you get 1% at least?
For now.
Do you have 1%?
Yeah, 1%.
Okay, yeah, take it because it's Friday. Take that 1% because it's Friday. Don't let this go all the way back, because you can't find another trade this week. It's gone. The week is gone now. Take 1%. We'll see, maybe we get another chance later that we can take another setup. But I would, for me, it's for this week I'm done. We'll see next week. This week was pretty good. We didn't have plenty of trades, but at least we got some, and happy with that. Don't let this come to your entry, guys, and stop you out. Like I said, it was a perfect place to take profits. This could go a lot more, but it could take more time. Maybe next candle start to push down. But yeah, it's very nice. Let's see, quick look to other pairs to see what's happening. GJ, it's nothing doing right now, it's just consolidating. Okay, GBP USD, pretty big pullback here. The 4 hour coming for a retest. Probably is going to reject around here at this level. It might be around here. It could reject. But we'll see. For me, I don't see a trade right now there. EU could make a retest here and still continue a little lower. Who do we have else? EA has gone too far. No hopes for a break to the upside. GA, we'll see. I think we're done for today. Okay, Euro NZD could be a next trade. It's exactly going how we expected. You need this current candle to break above. If that could happen, would be perfect on this current candle. If not in this, the next one. But the perfect setup is to get a break on this candle, then a pullback and some continuation to this next zone here. This would be a nice setup. You have almost 20 pip range there to the upside. It's a pretty good range. More than 5 pip breakout would be okay. How much percentage gain for this month so far? I don't know, I didn't count, but since mid-January I'm counting from there because that's when we were like 5% in drawdown and we came back. So we were 11-12% yesterday, another almost 2 today, so we're almost 14% profit. We had a great run of wins. I'll do some we'll review some of trades we took and see how many, but we had a lot of wins. Okay guys, that's it for today and for this week. Have a nice weekend everyone. See you, enjoy your weekend, and that's it for this week. We had a great week. Not too many trades, but all the trades were perfect. They were quality trades. They were comfortable trades. So yeah, that's it for today. See you guys. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone. Leave a like if you liked today's trade, if you enjoyed the session, and see you next week, Monday as always. Thank you everyone.